What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to be doing a full review here. Epomaker QK81 mechanical keyboard. So really awesome keyboard. I'm going to do the full unboxing and review. I'm going to do a sound test. I'm going to get this hooked up for you guys so you can see some of the RGB backlighting as well. But overall, really good mechanical keyboard option from Epomaker. Let's go ahead and jump into it.
Please like and subscribe to the channel.
Right, so we're going to go ahead and do the unboxing for the Epomaker QK81, which is a 75% hot swappable gasket tri-mode mechanical keyboard, also with a rotary knob on it. So this is a 75% layout, has that rotary knob gasket structure. It's hot swappable and also QMK and VIA programmable. So here's the view of the mechanical keyboard here. Really big knob. I like the colors of the pink here, especially my daughter, my 7-year-old daughter really loved the pink colors. Has a little bit of weight to it. It's not like an aluminum casing. It is plastic, but there is still a pretty good weight to the keyboard as well. You can see here, or the keycaps for the keyboard look. The backhand side, we have the connectivity types, so USB-C, Bluetooth, or 2.4 wireless connection. And there is an option to switch over to Mac or Windows keys, which is great because I'm on a Mac, so that's nice to have. And of course, the USB-C port. Now, also in the box, we have the the quick start guide here for the keyboard, and then we have the accessories. So we have the power cable that comes here. We have a few extra mechanical keyboard switches, and then we have a keycap puller and a switch puller as well. So underneath the little keyboard stands here is the little dongle for the wireless connection. So if you want to do the 2.4 gigahertz connection for Bluetooth for your keyboard instead of Bluetooth, it is hidden underneath here of this stand here. So let's go ahead and get this connected. All right, so now that the keyboard is hooked up, you can see the RGB lighting coming through here on the keyboard, which is great. So pretty good colors coming through here. Here in the quick start guide, you have the function key combination, so you can push function and space to reset the keyboard to the factory settings. There's also a function in the QWE keys that will pair with the different Bluetooth devices that you want to connect. And then also there's the function keys for Windows and Mac. And you can also do lighting controls for the keyboard as well. So if you want to change the effect speed, or the different light strip effects that are on the keyboard, you can do that as well. So in this case, with the toggle light strip effect and the color, I can hold down function page up and page down. So this little light strip is what's being changed there. And then I can change the color here. I like that green, that's pretty cool. And then you can obviously change the speed and lighting effects of the RGB background. And then it has the Bluetooth pairing mode information, how to pair in the wireless mode and wire mode, how to check your battery, how to go into sleep mode as well, connect with VIA, and some information about the keycaps and switches as well. Yeah, really good information here from the quick start guide. All right, so let's go ahead and do a quick sound test here so you guys can hear a little bit on how the keyboard sounds. Yeah, pretty overall impressed with the quality of the key presses and everything here. So overall, yeah, very good keyboard option here from Epomaker. There you have it. That's the full review of the QK81 mechanical keyboard here from Epomaker. Really, again, a good option mechanical keyboard if you are a fan of some of the keyboards like I am from Epomaker. Feel free to check out some of the other Epomaker mechanical keyboards or mechanical keyboard reviews I've done on my channel. If you're interested in checking out this keyboard, go ahead and check out the links down in the video description. Also, if you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any other upcoming reviews or videos that I do on my channel. And with that, thank you so much for tuning in. Remember to keep moving forward, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.